Meet Kelly Hodgkinson, the Paris 2024 800-meter gold medalist from England. Now, she revealed that she took sodium bicarbonate pills 2 hours before the race to improve her athletic performance. But the question is, why do they need to improve their athletic performance and how do they do it? Now, often what we see is during high intensity exercise, there is an oxygenic condition in their muscles due to lack of oxygen, of course, which leads to development of lactic acid, which accumulates in their muscles, leading to fatigue. But is this only the reason? Is the lactic acid accumulation the only cause for your early fatigue? Now, the recent research shows that it is not the only reason. The major reason for early fatigue is H+ concentration, or we say acidosis. Now, what happens? Now, let us see two cases. One, where there is athlete who have not taken any sodium bicarbonate supplement. Okay. Now, in this case, when he or she starts running, the glycogen in her muscle, जो food reserve होता है, it will break into glucose, and during this process, H+ released. Okay. और ये जो H+ है, this will be accumulated in the blood, increasing the H+ concentration, leading to acidosis, right? So the blood pH falls. Now, high H+ concentration is inhibitor, right? This inhibits a key enzyme of glycolysis called phosphofructokinase, which will ultimately slow down glycolysis, and that results in early fatigue. Okay. However, athletes like Kelly Hodgkinson who take sodium bicarbonate supplement, in that case, sodium bicarbonate in our body will break into sodium plus bicarbonate ion, which will bind with H+ and form H2CO3 carbonic acid, which will dissociate into H2O and CO2. So what will happen in this case, there will be no enough buildup of H+ ion, that is no acidosis, and therefore there will be no inhibition of phosphofructokinase, and hence there will be enhanced athletic performance, right? And this is why nowadays more and more athletes are using sodium bicarbonate to improve their athletic performance, and most of them are either cyclists or runners.